Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to TCS NQT next process after offer letter. This is the part 1 video. As we know that TCS announced the final offer letter for Ninja Prime and Digital role. Many candidates selected for the opportunity. Huge congratulations guys. आप सभी ने बहुत अच्छे से मेहनत की and finally you grabbed the best opportunity. Okay, and one of the most important point, results are ongoing. They are sending offer letter continuously. So just wait. If you not receive, they will definitely share soon. Okay, and huge congratulations. The final selection is done. Just see that many candidates are selected for the opportunity from our free preparation video. It's all your efforts and dedication guys that you follow our videos. Okay, you watch the videos, live session, and finally you grab the opportunity of many candidates selected for digital prime. Okay, digital opportunity as well as prime opportunity, ninja opportunity. Many candidates are selected. Okay, so it's all your efforts and dedication, and we are continuing this free preparation series for all of you for next companies as well. Okay, so our main discussion for today's video is related to TCS next process after offer letter. Many candidates have many doubts like what do you mean by ILP Corner, how to apply, background check, certification details, NSR, BGC. Okay, सो ये वीडियो बहुत अच्छी होने वाली है. एक एक पॉइंट पे मैं आपको सारी चीज़ें बताने वाला हूँ. ओके, लाइक एंड शेयर द वीडियो. लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो. The next process after offer letter state that there are BGC, there are certification detail, TCS Xplore courses, NSR registration and joining process. That is a different exam. The 5 points are very important. Okay. Next thing is related to this is the track my application status. Okay. Now the track my application status show like this. Okay, as we know that offer letter is released. After getting offer letter, you accepted the offer letter and you are eligible for the ILP. Okay, means initial learning program. So just to see that on 11/7/2024 on 11th July candidate received the offer letter after accepted and after ILP eligible on 12. Okay, we will discuss one important point. Okay, we will discuss one by one. That is okay. So first we will discuss about the offer letter thing. Okay, as we know that when you click on the offer letter section, so your offer letter will be displayed. Okay, as I already said, you have to accept your offer letter within the 7 days of getting offer letter. Okay, so after accepting the offer letter, your status will be update offer accepted. Campus community is related to TCS update. Okay, and Xplore and other community. Okay, so Xplore and other thing. So that is for the TCS update. Track my application consists of your application status. Okay, it is in the ILP corner. Basically in the ILP corner there are some of the fields that is showing that are NSR. NSR means National Skill Registry. We will discuss about National Skill Registry. But just understand that when you get your joining, okay, so all the initial status, okay, that is related to all process will be shown on the ILP corner. ILP means initial learning program. Okay, and just understand one most important point. Actual initial learning program start after joining the TCS. Okay, after getting the joining date, and when you join the TCS, okay, so the ILP is started and they will allocate into you in a stream. Okay, just like they will allocate into a one stream that is related to Java, cybersecurity, or any of the stream, and the ILP will be of 15 days, 1 month, or in continuation. Okay, we will discuss about ILP in detail, but just understand that the actual ILP will start after joining the TCS. They will allocate you into a stream and the ILP is there. Okay, this is the initial learning program. So what about the ILP eligible? You are eligible for ILP because you accepted the offer letter. Okay, let's discuss about the next thing. Just understand one my most important point. There are so many details on the next step portal. No need to worry about that. I already make the PDF. Okay, we will discuss in the detail. Next is related to certification tracker. You will see the certificate detail here. Okay, this is the certificate detail. So like many candidates are asking that like what do you mean by the certificate details? Okay, so just understand one my most important point, what they mention in the certification tracker. Okay, let's zoom it. Okay, so TCS encourage learning and empower to people to learn and grow. We believe that continuous learning is the path of organization. While the organization would consider you preference for technology stream basis the acquired certification and location submit to you, STAR certification and ancillary certification. TCS recognized and recommend technical certification that are relevant for initial learning program. Ancillary certification, other additional certification recognized by TCS. One most important point that is related to certification. This is very important point. Okay, when you open the certification tab, so there are list of certification. Suppose you already done that certification previously or from any institute, or you given the online exam for that and you have that certificate. Okay, so you can simply add that certificate. Okay, so it's like an added advantage, or we can say that it's a skills set. Okay, it will show that you have a particular skill set in that domain. Okay, one most important point, the certificate is not mandatory. Okay, it is like ये कहीं भी नहीं लिखा है कि नहीं इसके बिना तो ज्वाइनिंग नहीं होगी. ठीक है, previously also in the previous year. Okay, there is no need like there is not a mandate कि आपको ये सर्टिफिकेट अपलोड करने ही पड़ेंगे. The one thing is that is STAR certification and ancillary certification. Okay, the main important point what they written on that. Okay, what they basically written, completing one or more certification will you give added advantage in terms of being considered for an advanced level of initial ILP program. Okay, so ठीक है, एक एडेड एडवांटेज उन्होंने यहाँ पर मेंशन कर रखा है. बट द थिंग इज इफ यू हैव दैट सर्टिफिकेट ऑलरेडी और आपकी एग्जाम अपकमिंग डेज में आप क्लियर कर देंगे, आपके पास सर्टिफिकेट हैंडी अवेलेबल है, सो यू हैव टू अपलोड दैट, अदरवाइज इट इज नॉट मैंडेटरी. ओके, नो नीड टू वरी अबाउट द सर्टिफिकेशन थिंग. ओके, that's the main thing about certification, and like there is no other point for the certification. Okay, because जो certification है जब आप यहाँ पर चेक करेंगे, I suggest you to please check the certification page. So there are a lot of certifications available, like list is available. If you see that I already completed that certification, so you can add, otherwise no problem. Okay, and one most important point, when you add the certification one time, so you can't able to change again. Okay, that's the main thing. Let's discuss about the next thing that is related to NSR declaration. What do you mean by NSR declaration? National Skill Registry. National Skill Registry, I hereby agree that TCS may access, view, download and use my data in NSR for the purpose, okay, or in the connection with employment with TCS. National Skill Registry is very important for all IT companies. Okay, it is a NSR pin, NSR IT pin. Okay, you have to generate for that, and it is like it is with the government services. So just understand one my most important point, like for the particular 1 year 2 year you have to pay some charges, and you have to create the IT pin that you are using the services of NSR. One most important point, the NSR like the NSR e-card. Okay, NSR e-card is important document at time of joining. Okay, NSR e-card, you have to upload the NSR e-card and submit the IT pin on the TCS nextstep portal. Okay, so just understand that before 15 days of joining. Okay, like when you get the joining letter, suppose you get the joining letter upcoming month. Okay, in the 5th August you got the joining letter, and your joining is scheduled on 20 August. Okay, or 25 August. So after getting the joining letter, you have to apply for NSR. You have to apply for NSR on the National Skill Registry website, and after that the IT pin will be created and the NSR e-card will be issued, and you have to submit that document on the BGC portal. Okay, because your NSR e-card document is only activated before 15 days of joining. I will show you. Just understand one my most important point. NSR is very important, and in the ILP corner national skill registry are there. Okay, so just one most important thing that the NSR is related to that, and NSR declaration, you have to submit your 12 digit NSR pin. So it is quite simple as that. Before 15 days of joining date, suppose your joining date is on 25th August, so like before 15 days NSR e-card document will activated on BGC portal. It is not activated as of now. So after at that time you have to go to NSR website, and for NSR you can search many videos on YouTube. Okay, there are lot of videos on YouTube how to create NSR card and thing. So you within 2 days you will get the NSR pin. Okay, so after that you have to just update the IT pin on the TCS NextStep portal ILP corner. Let's discuss about the background verification check. That is very very important. As we know that the background verification check and background check form and upload document, this is the mandatory step, and this is the one of the most important step as a background check. So this is the mark sheet, Aadhaar card, 10th, 12th, okay, 10th grade certificate mark sheet, 12th grade diploma mark sheet, graduate mark sheet, graduate certificate, okay, and birth certificate, birth affidavit, medical certificate, non-criminal affidavit, PAN card, passport, NSR e-card, address, affidavit for break-in, gap and education, ID proof, current company, affidavit for multiple change in name, okay. All document marked with star are mandatory. Read all the document mandatory only if applicable. Okay, just understand one my most important point. This is the process. Okay, this is the list of document, and one most important thing. Okay, let's discuss about the BGC in detail. Okay. Understand one my most important point. When you click on initiate BG, your BGC is initiated. You have to fill the BGC form. We will make one separate video for BGC in which you have to mention your name and the personal details that is already available on the NextStep portal. You have to update your details. You have to share the PAN card details. You have to share the Aadhaar card details, passport related details. Okay. So after that you have to upload the BGC document. In the BGC document your all mark sheets will be uploaded, 10th, 12th, graduation and all semester mark sheet. Okay, just understand one my most important point. Many candidates are asking what is deadline for BGC. Okay, what is the deadline or what is the timeline for BGC? There is no particular timeline. Till joining you have time. Okay, because just understand one my most important point. Many of the 2024 batch is already graduated, but still they not receive their 8th semester result. Okay, they not receive their provisional degree certificate or some of the other documents. Okay, so without this document you are not able to join the TCS. Okay, because TCS is not giving joining. Okay, if your all documents is not completed. Just understand one my most important point. There is a catch. Your joining letter will be issued. Okay, but you have to complete the BGC documents. Suppose you got the joining as 25th August. Okay, so before 5 to 10 days, before 5 to 10 days of your joining date or joining date, you have to upload all of your documents on the BGC portal, and you have to confirm the BGC that your all documents is uploaded. There are so many other documents are also there, like NSR e-card. Okay, and NSR e-card, non-criminal affidavit. Okay, non-criminal affidavit, medical certificate. Okay, these all documents are activated before 15 days of your joining. So in that 15 days, okay, you have to upload this document. First understand one my most important point. On the BGC portal, you have to upload the available documents that is handy with you. Okay, just understand, you have all the mark sheets, okay, of your 10th 12th PAN card and other things. Okay, so you have to upload that. You do not have to submit, you have to just save that documents. Okay, and when you got your joining letter, okay, when you got your joining letter, so before 15 days or 10 days, you will get a time, okay, of 10 to 15 days in which you have to submit the remaining documents. In the remaining documents, these documents are come NSR e-card, non-criminal affidavit, medical certificate. These are all the documents. So just understand one most important point. You have to just save the documents that is available as of now. If documents is not available, it will available in the next 10 days or 15 days. So don't submit, okay, because it is not possible to submit, because when you get the joining letter, okay, when you get the joining letter, so you will get some time to you will get some time to upload that document, NSR e-card, non-criminal affidavit and medical certificate. So that's the main thing about the BGC. Okay, and in the BGC there are 3 set of document. Set 1, available document like 10th 12th mark sheet, ID proof, PAN card, Aadhaar card, birth certificate, birth affidavit. Set 2 is pending document like some mark sheet is remaining, provisional degree certificate. जब आपके पास ये अवेलेबल होंगे आज या आज से 10 दिन बाद, 15 दिन बाद, अगले महीने, तब आपको अपलोड करना है. ओके, बिकॉज when you join the TCS, your joining letter will be issued, but on the joining date, okay, on the joining date, your BGC should be completed. You already confirmed the BGC document. They will verify, they will check. If the verification is passed, you will successfully join on the particular date. Okay, that's the main thing. That's why. And set 3 option open before 15 days of joining. Apply after getting joining letter. Okay, I suggest you to for applying NSR e-card and for non-criminal affidavit, medical certificate, all format is available on the TCS nextstep portal. You have to apply before 15 days of your joining. That's the main thing. Okay, are you getting my point? So this is related to that. Okay, background verification check and upload document. This is a continuation process, so don't worry about this. Next is related to submission of your document. It is already available in the offer letter, that birth affidavit, okay, and all the documents that they mention. Okay, and background check. You are required to initiate your background check through document process after acceptance of offer letter. An agency appointed by TCS will check the credential specified by you in the employment application form. BGC verification that remain pending beyond 120 days from your date of initiating the BGC. Okay, means they mention that BGC verification process is very important. Okay, and that's the main thing. Okay, so just understand my most important point, that what is the TCS ILP program. On joining TCSL, you will given the benefit of formal training, TCS ILP program at our offices. The said training form a critical part of your employment with TCSL and its ongoing process. TCS continue to make investment on training and continuing education of its professionals. So it's just related to 1 month or continuation. Okay, let's discuss about the next thing that is related to the next part. Okay, let's discuss about in the throughout, okay, in the last section, what is the actual process. So just understand that you got your offer letter. Okay, you are eligible for ILP. Okay, you are eligible for ILP. Now the main process is started. The main process is started is related to Xplore courses. Okay, Xplore is a part of TCS, okay, in which you have to learn some courses and certifications. Okay, you have to learn courses and you can do some certification, as well as there are various examinations. Okay, there are various examinations like IPA, Ion Protocol Assessment for getting incentives. Okay, that you scored 80% above, so you will get the 60k bonus or 40k bonus. Okay, one time joining bonus. Okay, so that's the main thing. Okay, and that is a one time incentive. So the Xplore courses, the next process is related to Xplore courses. They will send you Xplore mail in which there are courses and certification, you have to complete that, and there are various examination like IPA incentive. Okay, if you score very well, so you will receive a incentive. Just understand one my most important point, this is a previous year process. Okay, so we have to wait for like next update from the TCS team, that you have to complete you have to do the start the Xplore courses. Okay, TCS Xplore website is already available, you can check that TCS Xplore and for the student. So this is related to Xplore. Okay, like this is the skill set that you have to learn. Okay, and if you perform very well in the examination, there is incentives. Okay, that examination is not related not related to your particular onboarding. Okay, that is related to your incentives. Okay, you have to, like there are some of the attempts for the IPA examination, you have to prepare and complete. So they will allocate, they will give you courses, you have to learn that courses, after that you have to give exam. Okay, and this is related to Xplore. Okay, so the thing is related to Xplore. So next thing is related incentive exam, 60k 40k one time bonus. Okay, IPA, and there is a PRA exam, project readiness assessment. It is not compulsory for all students, it will totally depends on TCS team whether they will conduct or not. Okay, I have most important point, that is related to background verification check, NSR pin. I suggest you can create the NSR pin before 15 days of getting your joining date. Okay, when you got the joining letter, okay, when you receive the joining letter, you have to just wait for like suppose your joining date is on 25th August. Okay, so before 15 days I suggest you to create NSR pin to NSR portal, through NSR portal, and you have to update on the nextstep portal. Okay, till joining you can save the documents, don't submit the documents, just save it, because your pending documents are remaining. Okay, without pending documents you are not able to complete the BGC, that's the main thing. Okay, and there are some of the document that is that is only available before 15 days of joining, that's the main thing. When joining, only 5 to 10 days for submitting documents, that is 15 days NSR e-card, medical certificate and birth affidavit. Name should be correct in all documents, your name should be correct. Prepare and ready all documents before joining. For NSR pin you have sufficient time, you can generate and submit later. Okay, just understand one my most important point, basically it is related to ILP. Like the next process looks like offer letter. Okay, and the ILP is scheduled. Okay, after getting the after ILP is scheduled, okay, sorry, ILP, you are eligible for the ILP. Okay, so you have to after that the Xplore courses are there, you have to given the IPA examination, and after clearing the IPA examination, incentive according to your availability of all documents, your pass out year, they will announced the joining date. Okay, on the joining date, before the joining date, actually on the joining date you have to complete your BGC. Okay, so your BGC should be completed at the time of joining date. So they will do one verification. Okay, so if the verification is successful, you can join the TCS, and after that the actual ILP will be started, that is for 1 month or in continuation according to the stream that is allocated to you. Okay, so in the next upcoming video I will make one short video for all of you in which I will discuss everything, but this is the long part of video in which I discuss all the process that is related to TCS offer letter and the next process. Okay, so this is related to that. I hope this video is useful for everyone. Thanks for watching the video.